On July 20, 1969, 2 American astronauts landed on the moon and became the first humans to walk on the moon's surface. The computer they used to achieve their mission has the computation power of this kind of calculator. You know these calculators? They were very popular before everyone could have access to a phone, but some shops and businesses still use them today. Now you know that the smartphone in your hand is more powerful than what they used to send humans. Satellite we use for lots of things and even to land on the moon. I am very sure if they had a computer with same computation power as your smartphone, what they would achieve would be more surprising. This led me to ask a question. What do many people use their phones for these days? Go online, chat on social media, watch videos, play games, listen to music, and so on. Well, there is nothing bad with having fun. Because we know, all work and no play make Jack a dull boy. But there is something wrong. If sometimes you go offline, because you don't have money to buy data. If you have to borrow data from network provider. If you share your food money to buy data. If you, when you are broke, you use your phone to beg people for money. If you are still using your phone to find jobs that want to pay you peanut salary that is not even enough to buy a standard smartphone within 30 days of hard work under pressure. By having a phone, you already have the greatest power of the 21st century in your hand, and you shouldn't be having any financial crisis. You can decide to have fun with it or make money and have fun with it at the same time. But if you use money to buy data to have fun, don't you think the phone should be paying for the data it uses? And even do more than that for you since you spend more time with your phone than anything else. Imagine, if each time you use your phone it equals money. Do you know how much you would make? I am sure some people would have become millionaires by now if only they know how. But why just imagine it? When you can do it over and over anytime, regardless of who you are or what skills you currently have. If you want to know how to use your phone to earn a steady income while having fun, then this is for you. I want to share with you the knowledge that took me 11 years of experience to solidify with numerous trials, errors, and spending. I want to show you how to use your phone to generate a steady income from time to time even when you are asleep. I have packed all you need to know into what I call the smartphone income generator. With the smartphone income generator, I will hold you by the hands and help you turn your phone into a device you can use to earn both naira and dollars at the same time. No, this is not a hype or overstatement. In fact, it is an understatement because what you are about to see will blow your mind away and you will ask yourself how come you haven't been using your phone this way since. Here are the reasons why I'm handing this over to you on a platter of gold. 1. I am tired of people asking me for money like 1K, 2K, or more. 2. I am tired of hearing people complain that there is no job. 3. I am tired of hearing people blaming the government for their financial crisis. 4. I am tired of seeing my fellow smart Nigerians holding the most powerful devices in their hands, made with technology our forefathers suffered for with slavery, to give us access to. There is no time to waste. The numbers of people that can access this mentorship and be guided to success is limited. If you are ready to see the possibilities waiting for you, to know how to turn your phone into a pocket-sized ATM machine that can give you money when you want, then just click the link in the description of this video, or check where you got this video for link to secure your spot. I will be waiting for you on the inside.